Have you heard of ResinCrete? Have you tried ResinCrete? Hey y'all, hope you're having the best day, night, weekend. Whenever you see this, I hope it's beautiful. Thank you, Jay Diction. I cannot wait to try this. It's something totally new for me. They sent me this kit to try. I will link below for you. I would earn a small commission if you used my link for this kit. We get 1,000 grams in this bag. Some sandpaper. It's like some pigments. Our mixing scoop and approximate measuring cups. So you've already seen everything that comes with it. You provide the water. I am going to use these smaller mixing cups. I have a spatula and some measuring spoons because I want to see how I can do it getting it right. I want to be able to know the best measurements so I'm not wasting product in the future. This is my first time working with it. If you've worked with it before, be sure to leave your tips below. Everything I saw said we just want a smooth consistency, not too thick, not too thin. Okay, you guys, I have no clue what I'm doing, so thank you for coming along with me. Okay, we have our first tray, and I mean, it really does look like it's already hardening up, so 30 minutes demold, we'll see. We did a second one, and I used their little mixings to pour in. I really like that green. That's cute. Okay, so now I'll use the bigger cup. We'll do the bigger tray. And this time, let's try glitter. So it says on here 10 parts base to 3 parts water. In my mind, I knew that there were 3 teaspoons and a tablespoon, so that's where I went with it first right off the bat. Going with the bigger, obviously we can use our tick marks and get it right. But so far, I mean, goodness, for not knowing what I'm doing, I'm pretty happy and having fun. That's what it's all about. It came with the bigger spatula. We'll try mixing that in the bigger cup. The ResinCrete powder is just like powdered sugar. I do have asthma and this is not affecting me in a negative way. I have worked with a UV resin before that bothered me a lot. The J Diction 2-part resin, I really liked it. I was so excited they let me try this kit too. So based on everything I'm feeling as I'm stirring, I just want to make sure there's obviously no clumps, no lumps. I think that this is much quicker and easier to work with, obviously, than 2-part resin. It's going to be interesting to see what kind of crafts we can come up with. We have the coaster, the trinket tray, little ring tray. Glitter from my stash from Walmart. It's not a chunk, it's a chunk of glitter. See you in 30 minutes. Okay, you guys, let's do this. It's not like plaster where it's powdery. It's very similar to plaster. The cleanup was so easy. I would dare say you could probably even save and reuse your leftovers if you were that dedicated. These colors, the pigments are so impressive. According to everything I've read and seen online, you get about 8 minutes of working time. You have to do it to understand it. If you've worked with resins before, I am not wearing a mask. I didn't even wear the gloves. Everything I read led me to believe it would be safe, and I'm feeling confident standing here in my first time trying it. These will make cute ornaments for Christmas. These are cute little trinket trays, coasters. I didn't get this perfectly flat and level. ever see people use clay in their molds and let it dry for like furniture decorating or frame decorating? I think you could use this that way. It's just not going to be malleable. You're not going to be able to get it. I'm trying to think of all the uses for it outside of just trinket trays and coasters. I really think it's unique. And I hope that you comment below if you've used this product. What are your favorite uses? I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe to the channel. We have broken the 1,000 mark. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so excited. Next hurdle is watch hours. I've never used plaster of Paris. What I saw online, the gentleman said that this is heavier, thicker, and doesn't have as many bubbles. Describing this product is hard. It literally feels like stone. It even gets cool. It doesn't feel like plastic, like resin. Again, I think these will make cute ornaments. I'm going to do my best to find a way to rock ornaments out of this. And I want you to help me think of everything else we can make with it too. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you comment below this video. I hope you have the best day, night, weekend, whenever you see this video. And if you want to try this product, the links will be below the video. I'll earn a small commission. No pressure.